This is WorthyWise Lesson 2 test. Number 1, after you put your name in, obviously we'll go to number 1. To derive a piece of information is to read about it, write about it, obtain it through reasoning, or obtain it through the internet. Number 2, to electrify a home is to equip it with a swimming pool, solar heating, gas heating, or electricity. Number 3, a store's inventory is its stock of items on hand, the kinds of items it sells, its location, its staff of employees. Number 4, a grimace is a facial expression that shocked surprise, peaceful contentment, that shows pain, contempt, or disgust, or shows disappointment. Number 5, an endeavor is a serious discussion, crime, error of judgment, or effort to reach a goal. Number 6, abrasion is the process of wearing or rubbing away through friction, climbing to a higher elevation, becoming disorganized through lack of leadership, or building up layers of soil over time. Number 7, when a patient suffers from dehydration, his or her body needs exercise, fresh air, food, or water. Number 8, Robin derives enjoyment from exercising. In this sentence, derives means gives others, gets, wishes she could get, or does not expect to get. Number 9, when might someone step gingerly? When dancing to loud music, when trying to avoid broken glass, when hurrying to catch a bus, or when strolling happily through the park. Number 10, which is abrasive? Sandpaper, clay, plastic wrap, or mashed potatoes. Number 11, the fabric of the couch simulates leather. This means that the fabric is real leather, doesn't look anything like leather, is leather printed with a pattern, is made to look and feel like leather. Next section on synonyms. Find a synonym for each word. A synonym is a word that means the same. Number 12, abrasive. Clever, commanding, harsh, or strong. Number 13, clad. Joyous, checkered, sheltered, clothed. Number 14, dehydrated. Dried, roasted, boiled, or fried. Number 15, electrified. Embarrassed, thrilled, discouraged, or irritated. Number 16, endeavored. Attempted, journeyed, battled, or forced. Number 17, gingerly. Obediently, generously, cheerfully, or cautiously. Number 18, gruesome. Sneaky, horrible, slimy, or huge. Number 19, inventory. Laboratory, group, list, or invention. Number 20, succumb. Yield, approach, groom, or pamper. Number 21, surmised, examined, supposed, smiled, or surprised. 22, succumbed, lingered, died, tumbled, or exploded. 23, simulated, hid, showed, inquiried, pretended. Antonyms. Antonyms are words that mean opposite. Number 24, corroborate, disrupt, disentangle, disprove, or distrust. 25, cursory, comfortable, polite, elegant, or lengthy. 26, simulated, genuine, valuable, shiny, or beautiful. Number 27, dehydrated, plump, satisfied, strong, or soaked. The next section is on analogies. It has to have the same relationship as the words in the example. So it has to have the same relationship. So laceration is related to cut, as abrasion is to bruise, as abrasion is to scrape, as abrasion is to break, or as abrasion is to injection. "29. Inquired is to asked, as inventoried is to created, inventoried is to listed, inventory is to experimented, as inventoried is to purchased." Number 30. Duplication is to copying, as simulation is to flying, as simulation is to driving, as simulation is to imitating, as simulation is to genuine. 31. Proof is to evidence, as a surmise is to a guess, as a surmise is to declaration, as to surmise is to a proposal, as surmise is to an idea. 32. Scowl is to anger, as grimace is to pain, as grimace is to contentment, as grimace is to surprise, or as grimace is to shyness. Okay, when you're done, you can go ahead and hit submit to get your score. Please ask before submitting if you have any questions.